Hello again. So we're doing question 10 from exercise 7H. The question asks us to find an equation for the line normal to the curve fx equals 2x squared plus e to the power of ln x minus 3 at x equals 2. So again, like the other question, we're going to state what the question is given us, which is this equation. So it's right here. And then now what we can do is the second piece of information given to us is x equals 2. So what do we do now? We have to substitute x in here to 2. And accordingly, the x's in the equation will follow. So instead of x, we replace it with 2. So 2 over here, 2 over here. This is what I've written here. And that can be simplified to 8 plus 2 minus 3, which gives you 7. So then now we can find the derivative of f of x, which is 4x plus 1, which we get from this equation. And then now we can move on to finding the slope of the tangent line. And we find the slope of the tangent line because we can't find the slope of the normal line without the tangent line. So we can do this by substituting 2 back into x, the derivative of the fx equation. So we do the derivative of the fx equation, but it's 2 now instead of x, because x equals 2. So then we get 4 bracket 2 plus 1, which gives you 8 plus 1, which equals to 9. And now the slope of the normal line is simply the reciprocal of the tangent line, and we have to add a negative sign because it's a negative, because it's perpendicular to the tangent line. So now we can formulate the equation, and I use y minus y1 equals m bracket x minus x1, but you can also use y equals mx plus b, but we're not going to use that today. So we're going to do y minus 7, which we got from here, equals negative 1 over 9, which we got from the slope of the normal line, because we're trying to find the equation of the line normal to the curve. So that's why we choose this value for m. And then bracket x minus 2, 2 we got from x equals 2, which is from the equation of the question. And then y equals negative 1 over 9x plus 2 over 9, which we get from negative 2 multiplying with negative 1 over 9 plus 7, which we got from the negative 7 being carried over to the other side. So that can be simplified to finally getting the equation y equals negative 1 over 9x plus 65 over 9. And that is your final answer. Thank you for watching, and I hope this was helpful.